Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the hidden truths about food and health. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our important health tips. Today, we're tackling a topic that might surprise you: combining eggs with certain foods. You might not realize it, but some common food pairings could potentially increase your risk of serious health issues like cancer and dementia. We're counting down the top 5 worst food combinations with eggs that you should avoid. Let's dive in. Number 1. Eggs and cold-cuts. First up on our list is eggs combined with cold cuts, like bacon or sausage. These processed meats are high in nitrates and nitrites, which are preservatives linked to an increased risk of cancer. A study published in the International Journal of Cancer found that regular consumption of processed meats is associated with a higher risk of colorectal cancer. When combined with eggs, which are already high in cholesterol, this combination can be particularly harmful. Opt for lean, unprocessed proteins instead. Number 2. Eggs and white bread. Next, we have eggs paired with white bread. While it might seem like a harmless breakfast, white bread is made from refined flour, which can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels. According to research in the Journal of Nutrition, high glycemic index foods, like white bread, can contribute to inflammation and insulin resistance, which are risk factors for type 2 diabetes and possibly cognitive decline. Try whole grain bread for a healthier alternative. Number 3. Eggs and fried foods. Third on the list is eggs with fried foods. Frying eggs in unhealthy oils or combining them with other fried items can increase your intake of trans fats and acrylamide. Acrylamide, a substance formed during high-temperature cooking, has been linked to cancer in animal studies, as noted by research in food and chemical toxicology. Trans fats can also lead to heart disease and cognitive decline. Use healthier cooking methods like poaching or baking to avoid these risks. Number 4. Eggs and sugary cereals. Coming in at number 4, we have eggs with sugary cereals. Adding eggs to a breakfast of sugary cereals can lead to an imbalance of nutrients and excessive sugar intake. Studies have shown that high sugar consumption is linked to an increased risk of metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, and cognitive decline, as highlighted in research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Opt for whole grain cereals or fruit to balance your breakfast. Number 5. Eggs and cheese sauces. Finally, eggs combined with cheese sauces or creamy dressings can be problematic. These sauces are often high in saturated fats and calories, which can contribute to cardiovascular disease and cognitive issues. A study in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that high saturated fat intake is linked to a greater risk of Alzheimer's disease. Instead, try using lighter, homemade sauces or spices to enhance the flavor of your eggs. These 5 food combinations may seem like everyday meals, but they can have serious health implications when combined with eggs. By avoiding these pairings and making healthier choices, you can support better overall health and potentially reduce your risk of serious conditions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and let us know in the comments if you have any other food combinations you're curious about.